Think the engine oil sitting on the top shelf is automatically better than the budget bottle next to it? That's exactly what the industry wants you to believe. But here's the shocking truth. Many of the world's biggest oil brands come from the same factories, use the same base oils, and even rely on the same additive suppliers. So are you really paying for better protection or just a better-looking label? Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what matters when buying engine oil, and you might never waste money on the wrong bottle again. Walk into any auto parts store and you'll be surrounded by shelves packed with brands promising ultimate engine protection, longer oil life, better fuel economy, and race-proven performance. Every bottle claims to be the best, making it seem like each company has developed a revolutionary formula. But once you look behind the scenes, the picture changes completely. The global engine oil industry is controlled by only a handful of companies. While you see dozens of different labels, most of them depend on the same refiners and the same chemical suppliers to create the products that end up on store shelves. That's why many oils are far more alike than their marketing would have you believe. Every bottle of engine oil begins with two essential ingredients: the base oil and the additive package. The base oil makes up most of the product, while the additives do the real work. They're responsible for reducing friction, preventing sludge, protecting against corrosion, keeping engine parts clean, and maintaining the correct viscosity in freezing winters and scorching summers. Without these additives, even the highest quality base oil wouldn't protect your engine for very long. Here's where things get interesting. Only a small number of companies manufacture the majority of the world's base oils, and even fewer develop the advanced additive packages used across the industry. That means two different brands can use nearly identical ingredients while selling their products at completely different prices. Even many famous car manufacturers don't actually produce engine oil. Instead, companies like Toyota, Ford, Honda, and General Motors create strict performance standards. Then they hire major lubricant manufacturers to blend oil that meets those exact specifications. As long as the oil passes every required test, it earns the automaker's approval regardless of which company actually blended it. So why do we see hundreds of different brands? The answer is surprisingly simple: branding and marketing. Many retailers and automotive companies purchase oil from large commercial blending facilities, then package it under their own names. The label, bottle design, and advertising may look unique, but the oil inside could have come from the same production line as another well-known brand sitting only a few feet away. Of course, that doesn't mean every engine oil performs exactly the same. Premium manufacturers spend millions of dollars on research, laboratory testing, and quality control. Some use higher-quality synthetic base stocks that resist breakdown under extreme heat, while others develop advanced additive technologies designed for turbocharged engines, high-mileage vehicles, or extended oil change intervals. These differences become more noticeable when engines operate under heavy loads, tow trailers, or face severe driving conditions. But for the average driver commuting to work or running daily errands, the difference between two certified full synthetic oils is often much smaller than the advertisements suggest. The biggest factor in engine life isn't buying the most expensive oil on the shelf. It's choosing the correct viscosity recommended by your vehicle's manufacturer, making sure the oil carries the proper industry certifications, and changing it at the recommended intervals. Even the world's best oil can't protect an engine if it's left in service for far too long or if the wrong viscosity is used. That's a mistake that can cost thousands of dollars in repairs. Smart mechanics understand this better than anyone. Instead of focusing on flashy marketing claims, they look at certifications, specifications, and proven performance. They know that an oil meeting the correct standards will protect an engine far better than an expensive bottle chosen simply because it has the most impressive advertising. So the next time you're standing in front of a wall of engine oil, don't let the labels fool you. Look beyond the marketing, check your owner's manual, verify the required specifications, and buy the oil that actually matches your engine's needs. Once you understand how this industry really works, you'll realize that the smartest purchase isn't always the most expensive one. It's the one that's engineered to keep your engine running smoothly for hundreds of thousands of miles. And now that you know the truth behind the labels, tell us in the comments, which engine oil brand do you trust the most, and has this information changed the way you'll shop for oil in the future?